So how to make an image of on ChatGPT like this one, basically a liquid formation of basically specific color of anything you want. Really easy. You go on ChatGPT, you can use ChatGPT free version or paid version. I will be using the paid version. And the prompt is this: a top view of photorealistic pink. For example, you can change this to blue, red, or green, whatever. I will use pink liquid, spill on a flat surface, the puddle forming the exact shape of, and here again you can write country, cat, dog, mouse, carrot, I don't care. I will be creating dog with light reflecting through it to enhance its translucent and glossy appearance. So let's start a creation. And as I have the ChatGPT 03, it will be thinking for a few seconds first. But if you're using the for all version, the free version, it will be starting to create as soon as possible, basically in a few seconds, which will be much faster, and the result will be basically the same. But yeah, this is basically what you want to write to create this image. And here you can see it is getting started. It thought for 15 seconds, and here you can see it is rendering in real time. And here you can see the liquid dog, which is still rendering, but looking quite nice. If you're looking at these images, basically the same. It looks more like a jelly or something like that, but this is how you can create a photorealistic pink liquid dog from a top-down view. And again, you can change anything. You can basically turn this into a, for example, turn this into a glass shape. And for example, red light beam is coming from above. So turn this into a glass shape. Turn this pink dog into a glass shape. And so, for example, you can just change it to this one, and let's see what it will make. Probably something similar to this one. So yeah, let's see. It will be thinking for a few seconds because again, I have the 03 version, $20 a month for basically. Here you can see it basically uses advanced reasoning. ChatGPT 4.0 is great for most tasks, so it will do these tasks as well. And let's see. It is getting started, and now it is starting to render. Here you can see the light beam from above. The dog basically looks exactly the same, but now it is made out of glass. Let's see the final result. So really nice. Right now it is no more a liquid spill. It is a glass dog, and the light is I like how the light is basically going through like in real life, and here it is basically shining through the paws as well. So yeah, that's how you can make this liquid spill and glass basically objects. You can do anything you want, edit everything you want. So the prompt is in the description as well. And yeah, if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get a notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.